Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're also fine, taking care of yourself. I'm also fine. Today in this video I am going to show you ideas and designing about crochet and knitting cardigan shrugs. You can see different sizes and different varieties of crochet and knitting shrugs in this my video. They look very glamorous and beautiful. You can wear these crochet and knitting cardigans in winter season as a fashion, and because they are very warm and beautiful. You can wear these cardigans in summer season and as a casual day in parties, function, and depending on your choice. And you can make it in your own home by cardigans, by crochet and knitting techniques, and by using different yarns, and also buy it from market. Many styles and many varieties of collections are easily available in market, and please see my video at the end, because in this my video I will show you the classic and unique collection. And as you know, crochet and knitting shrugs are cropped cardigans like garments with short or long sleeves cut into one with the body, typically knitted usually for women. And you can also use different styles of buttons to make look slimmer and beautiful. You can wear these crochet and knitting cardigan shrugs with your pants, t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, and also different shirts depending on your choice. And you can also wear in the winter season and different purpose. I hope you like all these, and you can make in one color and different colors by using crochet and knitting yarns, different yarns. You can make in the gray color, blue color, red color, purple color, off-white color, and depending on your choice, matching with your dress. I hope you like all these cardigan shrugs in my video. And if you want to make these crochet and knitting cardigans in order, please see the link in my description, touch the link and contact with us. Okay viewers, if you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. And if you want many more ideas and designing about crochet and knitting cardigans, please see my videos on my YouTube channel regularly. Okay viewers, see you in my next video. Take care. May God bless you. I pray Allah for your health and wealth. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for supporting us, and goodbye.